for Meralco is creating now a short-term resistance here. So we'll expect Meralco will go down on this area, and if there is a double bottom, maybe we'll move back to this resistance. But if Meralco will go on this location, this is good for Meralco. But now here we will see if there's a bounce. This how many percent for this? This is 9%, no? 9 to 10%. Just in case if you will not continue, you can sell your share. But if you go on this area, this is good for Meralco. Now MPI. Metro Pacific. Metro Pacific is the same. There is a resistance on this area. If Metro Pacific will go here, it's good. But if in case if you cannot break that, Metro Pacific will go this area. Okay, and this is now a bearish signal for MPI. So we need MPI to break this EMA 200 and this resistance. Stay here, it is good for MPI. This is the good opportunity. But for now, we will see the next price action of MPI. Next one, pure gold. For pure gold, it's good for pure gold, no? We will see on this location for pure gold. This is the high. This is the previous high of pure gold. So if he will going back to this area, it's if we will see if we can this resistance will become support kung mag-hold siya dito, and look for the EMA 20. So mataas na po si pure gold. So RLC, Robinson's Land. Oh, Robinson's Land. We will see Robinson's Land. Okay, but now Robinson's Land is a bearish chart, and it's very clear na kailangan natin yung Robinson will climb on this area. Okay, and there is a resistance. You need to climb here and break this another resistance here. This is good for Robinson's Land. But for now, this bearish pattern for Robinson Land. So we'll wait for another opportunity. RRHI. Robinson's Retail Holding. If we see here, he break the incline resistance, and now he's going to this area. Okay, if we will hit here, we will see the next price action of RRHI. Maybe, okay, if we will hit this area, if there is a retracement, this is the time we need to see what is the next price action of RRHI. Security Bank. Security Bank, the same. We need to wait Security Bank this area. But now this is a very signal for Security Bank. SM. For SM, it's going down, no? We will see if we will rebound going back to this area. SM is good for here in this location. If you draw a line for SM, see, this is a bearish sign. Maybe we'll pull back on going up to this area and then going down. So the base is SM will stay in this location. SMC, the San Miguel Corporation. San Miguel Corporation is going sideways now. So if we will draw a resistance for San Miguel, this location. This is the resistance. We need San Miguel to stay on this location. If you have a position, wait if you can break and pull back here. This is the good base for SMC. But now it's going sideways movement. It's MPX. Is MPX. Now if we will extend this one, so this is a bearish for SMPX. We will see if it's here. Now it is a bearish chart for SMPX. For PLDT, okay, PLDT is going up, no? Mataas na po itong PLDT, no? We need to the 71 RSI, so there's a candidate for pullback for PLDT. So we will see the pullback of PLDT. And URC, United Bana, we will see the long-term resistance for Robina is hitting here for 1 week, and it did not continue to go upside. So what will we do? It's creating a support in this area. We will see. And the MACD is going down, so of course there's a correction for this. Maybe we'll going back down here. So let us monitor the URC. If we can break this resistance and there's a pullback, this is good for URC. But for now, it is in the resistance area. So that's all for the PSEI stock. This is the weekly review for the 30 PSEI stock, no? The Philippine stock index, exchange index, PSEI. So I hope you can mayroon kayong makikita na additional learning for this channel. So if you have some question, if you have more knowledge to add for this review, it's good, huh? We need to have a sharing of information, sharing of ideas to beat this market. So that's all for this weekend review for the PSEI stock. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.